Hello everyone! I'm here today together with my youngest child. Aim, say hi! Okay, now he doesn't want to say it, but he talks when you sneeze. It's been years and years since I've been here doing this challenge, and I'm finally ready to film a new hair color. Also, there's been some color changes since the red one and the orange one and yellow one. There's been a pink one, purple or violet one, and my favorite blue, which I cannot get rid of actually. As you can see, this has been bleached a few times. It was supposed to look like this, but well, blue loves me, I guess. And since I'm going through all colors of the rainbow, there's gonna be a green now today. And the green is actually a color I've never had before, never ever. So I'm really excited how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully it will be good and hopefully it will not look blue, since even my purple looked kind of blue. I'm actually really sad that I didn't get a chance to film the other colors, but life happens, I guess. But yeah, I'll try to make everything look as green as possible. Of course, my hair, makeup, maybe nails, because like right now I don't have any nails. Maybe even the clothing. Okay, so let's begin. At first I'm gonna show you how my hair actually looks, because well, you can see it kind of, but not really. So it's like this. These are my roots. Am I recording? My bleached roots. There's already some of my hair growing out again, and I bleached this like 2 days ago. This is the rest of the hair. These are all the hair colors I'm gonna be using today. Directions. I bought 3, so hopefully it's gonna be enough, because I never remember how much of them I use. So 2 of them are shades apple green and 1 is alpine green. So I guess, but we'll see how it looks. They look kind of dark, but maybe it just looks like it in the package. And also I found, am I recording? A green bleaching and dyeing color t-shirt. Snack time. Someone's watching me. Back in my warrior suit, aka the dyeing t-shirt. It is actually dyeing, but it's for dyeing, so let's do this. First one. This is the first one, but I forget that I have to use the bigger bowl since it's 3 hair colors and well, this is first, so I scooped it out of the bowl and it looks kind of well, bluish, so hopefully it will look better. These are the other 2 colors, don't know how much you can see, but these 2 ones are actually more green, so I'm very happy that I bought 2 of them. Looks so yummy! So I'm just gonna show you like one swap right here on top, and then I'm gonna dye them in the mirror, because I don't see much here. Oh my god! So excited! This is how it's looking so far. I've done the back, and this is all that's left right now. So let's do this. I'm here with color everywhere. Well, everywhere on my face and neck and hands and stuff. But I think it's looking pretty good. Look at all those splatters. It is wild, but look at it. I'm gonna clean my face now and wait for like 2, maybe 3 hours for it to sit in my head, and we'll see the result once I wash it off. Okay guys, I'm back. This is how it's looking right now. I took all of the green from face as far as I could. It's still there, but also I took a little bit of my face with it, so yeah. I like the green so much, it looks so goth, so edgy. Actually, right now it's looking exactly how I wanted it to look, like kind of foresty green vibes, but we'll see when I wash it off if it will stay like that. So see you after washing. I'm back. And this is the result. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty great. Not sure if it looks actually as green on the camera as in real life, but I'm pretty happy with it. I tried to style my hair a little, but couldn't use much of the heat because it strips out the color so fast, so I didn't want to ruin it already. I then tried to do a green look. A little bit of green on my lips. This is how it looks like. This is the back. My hair are frizzy as hell right now. I was thinking I may do a little bit of different looks for this hair. This is the first one, and hopefully I'll get to do another at least 2. I'm back! Looks kind of turquoise on the camera actually. For some unknown reason my phone doesn't wanna record green. This is my little makeup for this look. And this is the second look for this. Hi, this is my last look for this video. It's kind of Joker inspired. This is the makeup. What do you think? I know this isn't all green, but gotta do something a little bit different for the third one. Tell me which look you like the most and which hairstyle you like the most. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching and hanging here with me. What do you think I should do next? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye bye.